This is a problem from AtCoder Beginner Contest 120. It's an old problem, but I want to show that there is a similar type of problem asked in Code Forces some 3 to 4 rounds back. You can go out and check that problem also. And if you know that problem and if you have seen the tutorial which I have posted on my channel, please put it in the comments which question I am stating, because this question is almost similar to one of the questions asked in Code Forces online contest. So please mention out if you know that question also. So we're going to discuss this question, and I want to tell that how some questions are very relatively similar to each other. Okay, so in this question you are given n cubes, and it is a string of length n in which the color of the ith cube from the bottom is red if the ith color is 0, and the cube color is blue if the ith color or the character is 1. So you are like given a stack in which you are given that there are some red cubes or blue cubes. If the red cube is of color like red cube is denoted by 0 and blue cube is denoted by 1. So what you can do, you can perform the following operation n number of times. You can choose a red cube and a blue cube which are adjacent to each other and remove them. Okay, if you remove them, then because like it is a stack, all the above cubes will fall down and below on them. Now at most how many cubes you can remove? So as you can see in this example, if it is 0 0 1 1, now you can remove this 0 1. Like let's assume it is forming a stack like this. It is 0 0 1 1. Okay, now you can remove these two 0 1 because they are adjacent to each other. Now this 0 will fall upon this because you have taken out this part, so it will become like this 0 1, and now you can again take out this part and it will become like 0. There's nothing element left, so the total number of cubes you have taken out is equal to 4. Okay, so that's the whole question. So how you can do this? So first try to see that how you can efficiently take out the zeros and ones. Okay, in this, as you can see, if there is some 0 and 1 present, you can easily take them off. Now there is again 0 1 forming, so you can take it off. You will take 0 and 1 repeatedly until there is only 1 left, all 1s left, or all 0s left. In that case, or like there is nothing left. In that case, you cannot do anything, because if there is only 1s left, you cannot take out more elements. If there are some 0s left, you cannot take out more elements. So you have only choices when there are some 1s and 0s. And you can take out every time? Yes, because if there are some 1s and some 0s, they might be adjacent to each other. And if you take out some pair of 0 and 1, then the rest of them will come close to each other and you can take them out. So as you can see, you can take them out, take this out, and you will stop only when there is only 1 left or 0 left in the whole string. So at every part, you are reducing the amount of 0 and 1. So what you can do in the initial string, so let's assume this is the string you are given, you can count out how many number of zeros and how many numbers of 1 are there, because the minimum number, whichever is the minimum, the number of zeros or 1, you can only take that much amount of cubes out. Okay, so let's assume there is like in this there are 4 zeros and 2 1s, so you can take out at most 2 pairs of 1 and 0. So in this case you can take out this and take out this. So you have to count out the minimum of frequency among both of 1s and 0, and it will tell us how many pairs you can take out. So you want to output how many cubes you want to take out, so you have to multiply it by 2, because you are taking out in pairs. Okay, so that's the whole trick of this question. I'll take it on to the code part now. So the code is also very simple. You take the input of the string. Okay, then what you'll do, you'll count out the frequency of nums of 1 or nums of 0. What is the frequency of 1 and 0 in the whole string, and output is just the minimum of both of them into twice, because you have to output you are given in this. You can calculate how many pairs are extracted, and multiply 2 is how many cubes you have extracted. I hope you understand the logic. One more interesting problem is coming, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.